Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure a notifications permissions on Windows 11. So sometimes you get annoyed by notification from Windows Security, Windows Defender, or any updates. So in order to configure the permission, you can go to the click Start button, click Settings, and search for Privacy and Security. Here you can scroll down and try to search notification under application permissions. Here you can click it. Here, notification access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have access to their notification when this is on. So here, let apps access your notification. So choose which apps can access your notification. Here you can turn off this. So no application use will show this their notification if you turn off this access. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.